If you're getting started with Google Ads or you're running campaigns, you may be wondering what ad rank is. So ad rank is a value or a grade that is assigned to ads that are eligible for a Google Ads auction. So the Google Ads auction takes place every time someone enters a search term and they hit enter in Google and there are ads that are eligible to be triggered. What happens is an auction where Google is determining an ad rank score for each ad in the auction and then orders the advertisements accordingly. Ad rank uses your bid, your expected click-through rate, ad relevance, landing page experience, search context, competition, device, time, all sorts of factors about where people are searching, who is searching, what they're looking for. So they're trying to essentially create the best possible user experience for every single person who is searching. So the three main things that are going to really impact your ad rank and make up your quality score is your expected click-through rate, your ad relevance, and your landing page experience. So to give you a quick example from a Google Ads account, you can see some of these different keywords that I am targeting in Google Ads right now. If we scroll over here to the right and we come all the way over, you're going to see a quality score based on a scale out of 10. So the quality score is using my expected click-through rate, my landing page experience, and my ad relevance, and giving them each a score of average, above average, or below average. So if you're above average for all three of these, you're going to have a quality score of 10 out of 10, which is going to help you get the best possible ad rank. And the only other really main factor that matters is how much you're bidding. So if you have no limits on your bid and you're using a smart bidding strategy, then your ad rank will be very strong if you have a quality score of 10 out of 10 and you have no bid limitations. Now let's come back over here and let's go to the next. So ultimately what you're trying to do is get into that top spot for ranking, because that means your ad will be in that very first position. So you can get a high ad rank by looking at an example like this. I'm selling bracelets, so I create a Google Ads campaign. I'm bidding on the keyword braided leather bracelets. So something very specific that people may be searching in Google. I create a relevant ad all geared towards different braided leather bracelets, styles, colors, types. Everything is all about braided leather bracelets, and it leads to a page with 20 different braided leather bracelets for sale. That will give me a high ad rank because Google is going to look at this and say, okay, this advertiser is giving a great user experience to their user. They're going to a very relevant landing page. They're seeing a relevant ad for what they're searching. So we're going to give them an ad rank of, let's just say, 10 out of 10, 100 out of 100, however they want to score it. Now, a low ad rank, let's say I'm selling bracelets, so I create another Google Ads campaign. I'm bidding on the keyword braided leather bracelets. I create a generic ad that just talks about different bracelets for sale. I go over my entire catalog. I have all sorts of bracelets that I'm trying to promote in my advertisement, and I lead people to a category page with 20 different bracelet subcategories, maybe silver, gold, whatever it may be. So this is not as good of a user experience, and it's going to lead to a lower quality score, which is going to lead to a lower ad rank. So when it comes to ad rank, some of the main factors that are determining your ad rank are your keyword bid, your ad relevance and the quality of your advertisements, and your landing page experience. So these three factors are very important, and I just showed them to you in my Google Ads account. So if you have any limitations for any of these, it's going to hurt your quality score, which is going to hurt your ad rank. Now keep in mind, your bid doesn't have anything to do with your quality score. Your quality score is made up ultimately of your ads, your landing page, your expected click-through rate, essentially how Google thinks your campaign is set up for your targeting. So you're getting quality scores for each individual keyword, and then your bid is separate, and that helps make up your ad rank as well. So let's just say I do a search for marketing software. So your ad rank is calculated for every search. This is just an example score. They don't actually show that they're giving a score out of 100 or out of 10. The only score you're going to see out of 10 is the quality score, which is separate and is just one part that makes up your ad rank. So let's just say, for example, they give us a bid score of 33, an ad score of 29, a landing page score of 27. Our ad rank would be 89 for this example. So let's just say we go to Google, we search for marketing software. You can see just a sample of kind of how ad rank works to give you an order of the different advertisements in Google every time someone makes a search that's triggering different advertisements. So the auction is looking at all of the different advertisers that want to be listed at the very top here or anywhere on the page, and they're giving each advertiser an ad rank based on all of these different factors that we went over earlier. So coming back over your bid, your expected click-through rate, the relevance of your advertisements, the relevance and the experience of your landing pages, the search context, what people are looking for, what they generally look for in the past, the overall competition of your search, the device people are using, the time of day, the day of the week. So there's all of these different attributes that go into ad rank. So ultimately what you're trying to do is create a great user experience, and if you create a great user experience, then you can come up with a very high ad rank, which helps you actually pay less than other advertisers every time you enter the Google Ads auction, because what Google does is it gives advertisers a break if they have really high quality scores. Because ultimately, Google wants to show advertisements that are very relevant, that are high quality, that use all of the different assets that are going to be relevant for that advertisement, and they want ads to lead to a relevant and targeted landing page that, let's just say the landing page doesn't take 10 seconds to load, it's easy to use, it's visual, whatever people are looking for, they can easily find on that landing page. So this is ad rank. If you have any questions about ad rank, please leave them in the comment section. Thanks for watching my video today, and make sure you subscribe to the Surfside PPC YouTube channel.